Well, it's the final trading day working day, because for crypto the market is always right there. So I was hoping Ladi will be here, but he decided to snub us. We'll see how that goes. We'll try to do without Ladi. Look at the numbers. The market is still greedy. Investors are greedy. It's still a good time for you to profit take if that's what you want. So we see it here at 65. That's it. But let's look at the prices now. I think we may not have so much joy right there, because we say Bitcoin is down more than 1%. Is now at 42,716.5. To Ethereum is obviously also down. I mean, the king of crypto. So it's also down more than 1%. BNB is also down. Cardano is also down. There you have it, almost 4%. That's a very big one that dropped right there. XRP is also down. Now we have Adeniulo Poroko joining us now to tell us perhaps what's going on in the market, especially because I saw news some time ago, earlier today, that about $1 billion has been removed from the exchange. And that's the biggest single day withdrawal from exchanges, not just one of them, from exchanges. I mean, are people drawing out money to spend at this period? But Adeni, good morning and compliments of the season.
Good morning and compliment of the season to you.
Yeah, so what do we connect these drops to, especially the $1 billion, the biggest single day withdrawal on the exchanges?
We're actually in the bull market, so there's a lot of excitement. For the past 2 weeks, many people in the crypto space have been smiling to the bank as the market has gone up drastically. So I'm not surprised that many people are looking towards withdrawing some of their profits before the start of the new year. And that's the major reason for that huge withdrawal, because there have been a lot of profits taken in the past 1 to 2 weeks, especially from Solana and BNB. So it's normal for the markets to just have what we call a brief correction. That's why you see that some of those tokens are down in the past 24 hours.
And then we see even Solana, that's supposed to be the king for this year, going above $100, now has dipped below $100.
Yeah, it's just the market correcting itself. For example, we saw what happened with Solana about 3 months ago. Solana was less than $20. And now is above $100. So we all know that when you check the trading charts, the market cannot just continue to go up. But it's actually a great sign, because throughout the year, we had a bearish market where most of the coins were just stagnant. But now we've seen an uptick, and it's normal for the market to rest. And we're expecting better returns for next year.
Do you see Bitcoin recovering before 31st? I mean, this is a market that doesn't sleep. So even though it's the final working day or trading day for crypto, is still on. You see it recovering, before 31st or by 31st?
I don't really see it recovering, because what we're expecting now is the approval of Bitcoin ETF, that's exchange and traded funds, and that's likely to happen by the second week of January. So the market is likely to be around 40K to below 40K before the expected announcement, and then we can expect a slight bull run before the halving. I think it's just about 112 days to the halving. And after the halving, I'm expecting Bitcoin to probably pump to 60K.
When do you see it getting to that 60K? What time of the year? First half, second half, first quarter?
The halving is likely to be in the second quarter of the year. So I'm expecting after the halving. So let's be looking at towards the end of second quarter.
All right, Adeni. Well, would you say this is, I know that this is a bull market, so obviously it shouldn't be a good time for entry into the market. If you have missed this opportunity, you wait till after the halving, before you come in, I guess.
Yeah, we're actually in the bull market, but we are still early, because the bull market just started a month ago. So many of the tokens are still relatively low. So if you're able to do your analysis properly and take control, one of the things that I've noticed is that the tokens that are making good gains are tokens that you build things on top, or tokens that have utility, like, as I said, Solana, BNB, even Cardano. So it's still early, and I believe that we are going to see much more pumps by next year when the news of the Bitcoin ETF arrives and after the halving.
All right, Adeni. Well, we're going to the weekend, we're going to a new year, but thank you so much for your thoughts. Of course, we are looking forward to that halving and see how, that will end. That will be for investors. Some people expect otherwise. Some people expect some kind of negativity. But you're on the positive side. You think that Bitcoin will hit 60. Yes.
Yeah. I actually believe that, hopefully.
All right, thank you so much, Olokoroku Adeniyi, for your time this morning. Enjoy the rest of 2023 and bounce into 2024.
Thank you and have a great day.